Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we got this lamination machine. I use that for school basically. I'm not gonna show the whole process. Obviously, everyone knows how they work. Um, but this is a really nice machine in my opinion for a pretty decent price. You get some of these foils in this package as well, which is nice. Then we also have this little cutter here, which I really think is cool, and I did not expect to see that in here. Um, but yeah, that's gonna be that one. And now let's see what the machine is all about. Um, so I need to get that out of here though. Okay, let's get the box out of the way. And that's what it looks like. Pretty decent machine, which gets the work done. That's where it comes out. And then up in the other side you insert everything. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I like that you have a little support here. And well, yeah, all in all, it's a really decent machine. I'm not gonna put it to work. It's just because I assume everyone knows how they work, right? I hope so. I've got a pretty decent long cable. I can show that for a second here as well. But yeah, I don't know what to say, to be honest. I'm really satisfied. Like the looks, like the displays down there, and everything works quite smoothly and nice. So yeah, I would say that should be enough for today's video, and I will see you around in the next one. As you see, it's saying it's cold, now it's charging, so the lights are blinking, and then you just wait until it's ready, and then you can use it, and that's gonna be it for today.